I can finally finish this room, but I'm not going to be able to go. Okay, so I'm back. I cleaned up all the clips. I knocked out all the clips. I cleaned up the floor. Got all the floor cleaned up and all the clips knocked out. But I have to wash a little bit better. There's another one there. But anyway, so now I'm going to take all this stuff out of here and put it in here. And then when it's time to go out, I'm going to have to move it again. So it's a pain in the ear. But anyway, so let's see if I can get this Ditra Heat mat down here today. And I'm going to call it quits. It's December 31st. Once I get that mat down, and I am out of here. Okay, so finally got this room cleared out. And now this one is crammed with stuff. So what I'm going to have to do here is, because there's a lot of, the toilet, the doors and everything are in the shower. Once I get this floor finished, I will clear out all my tools. So I get rid of all my tools, like that table and the cutter and the dry cutter there, and most of my other tools. And then I'll grab the floor. Then I'll have to cover the floor because I'm gonna have to move everything out of the shower, and then grab the shower. So usually I like to grab the shower first, so get it done, but this time it's gonna have to be the other way around. Okay, so I got all the Ditra Heat down, finally. Now that gives me plenty of room to work on. This is where it ended, right here on this line here. That's as far as I could go. Now I got all that stuff out of here, over there. I can finally finish this room, but I'm not going to be able to go do that much because I can only go so far, because this is the only way out. I can only go so far, and then I'm trapped. I can't go any further. So I'll go this way some, that way some, then I'll finish in there and where the toilet is, and then when I come back I'll keep going on these two areas here. So another thing is, if you ever get leftover thin set, there's no need to throw it away. You can just pre-fill your waffles. A lot of guys actually like to pre-fill the whole thing. I don't do that. I think it's a waste of time, but it's perfectly fine. Just remember, if you've got Ditra Heat, don't pre-fill it until you get the wire in, because if you pre-fill it before you put the wire in, you're not going to be able to put the wire in. There's no wire in here, so that's not a problem. Just pre-fill. Over there, there's a wire, so put your wire in, and then if you've got leftover thin set, you can pre-fill it. But anyway, this is it. So it's December 31st. It's about, I don't know, like 10:30, something like that. I am going to call it a day. I'm out of here. Happy New Year to everyone.